Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us not waste any further time and let us go straight to the charts of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, and Euro versus US dollar from where we left off on Thursday. Okay. Okay, so when we were discussing the market on Thursday, market was trending over here. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that market was trending over here, and we were. Uh, it was expected that market would be in a selling momentum. So, but you guys can clearly see that market gained its momentum upward and closed above our short-term area uh, of resistance. And you guys can clearly see that once market closed above, then market stayed over here, and once market closed below our area of resistance, we could take a short position. So let me take this short position for you guys. So this will be our first entry. Our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.3% profit, which means only a break even. Then afterwards, market gave us another opportunity like this. We take this entry, and market would have hit a stop loss because we did not even hit the 0.3% level. Then market gave us a third opportunity to sell over here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here. So market gave us a 0.6% profit. Then market continued to go up from here, and market gave us an opportunity to sell from here. You guys can clearly see from here it would be this will be our stop loss and our take profit will be approximately over here. But for that, let us go to the 15 minutes chart and let us see if we hit our take profit or stop loss. And you guys can clearly see that we hit a 0.5% level first. So this means that we hit a 0.5% profit first before hitting the stop loss. And then afterwards, market gave us another opportunity to take a sell position from here. Our stop loss will be just above this previous candle, and our take profit will be over here, giving us a 0.8% profit. And then afterwards, market did not close below our area of minor resistance, so after then we would have stayed out of the market. Now one thing that is of interest is that market has respected this area twice. Okay, so and if we take this area as a head and this if we take these two areas as two tops, then there is a good chance that market now might take a good turn down, because you guys can see that if a market makes a double top pattern, then there is a good chance of market going down. Okay, so just be vigilant. It is very much expected that market might go down, and we are still bearish in this in this gold versus US dollar pair. And you guys can see that our area of resistance is now being respected as a support right now. Okay, you guys can clearly see that this is the candle that is a pin bar candle for bulls. Okay, so this means that the sellers are trying to keep the market down, but buyers are trying to keep the market up. But you guys can clearly see that here sellers are very much in control, just like they were over here. Okay, so as you guys can see that market has gained its momentum totally upwards, and now there is a the market is expected to go down. Okay, so that's all for the gold versus US dollar for today. Now I will move forward these scenarios for the 1st of July, and the area of resistance and support are going to remain same because it is in front of you guys that our areas of minor resistance and major resistance were respected in the most beautiful manner, and these are going to remain same. Okay, okay, so I have moved forward these scenarios for gold. Currently market is trending over here at approximately 2326 level, and the area of minor resistance and major resistance are going to remain same. Now let us be vigilant and let us see that how market gives us further opportunities of buying and selling in this pair. Now let us move forward to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair, and let us see that how market behaved for us in this pair. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, we were bearish in this pair. So once market was trending over here, you guys can clearly see that market did not give us much opportunity. If we would have taken a buying entry over here, maybe we would have made a little bit profit. Let me take that trade for you guys. So this will be our entry. Our stop loss will be approximately over here, and our take profit will be approximately over here. Let us go to the 15 minutes chart to figure it out further. That yes, you guys can clearly see that we hit 0.5% profit first before market continue to go down. Okay, so and then afterwards you guys can clearly see that market continue to go down and again test our area of support. We could take another buying position, so let me take this buying entry over here. Our sorry, approximately here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous area. Our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 0.6% profit. Okay, then we would prefer to stay out of the market because this little cross does not indicate anything. The buying and selling, there is a confusion. Then afterwards, market did not give us further opportunity until over here. So if we take a buying entry here, we hit a stop loss immediately. Then over here as well, we are going to hit a stop loss in this candle. Okay, but overall, the market has respected our area of major support, and we are still bearish in this GBP USD pair, and let us see that how market behaves on the coming day of 1st July Monday. Okay, so let me move forward the scenarios for 1st of July Monday. If you guys have any questions, you guys. Okay, so as you guys can see that currently market is trending over here, so we have moved our scenarios accordingly forward. So that's all for GBP USD pair. If you guys have any questions, you can always ask us in the comment section. Okay, now let us move to the next pair of Euro USD pair and let us see that how market behaved in this Euro USD pair. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that when we were discussing the market on Thursday, market was trending over here. You guys can see that market tested our major area of support, then gave us some opportunities of buying over here, and over here. So market gave us three opportunities of buying. Let us see that how much profit or loss we would have made while executing these trades. Okay, so this will be trade number one. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be less than 0.3%, which means we would have hit a stop loss. Okay, trade number two will be approximately over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here. Let us go to the 15 minutes chart to check if we hit a take profit or stop loss first. So we are hitting the 0.4% level first, so this means that we would have at least break even on this trade. Okay, and then you guys can see that market gave us a third opportunity of entering over here, and this trade would still be carrying on. Okay, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and this trade would have gone to a 0.26 level maximum, but right now market is this trade is still going on. Other than that, market has respected our area of major support level beautifully, and market has not uh, uh, broken below this area, and market has not even broken our area or touched our short-term area of resistance. So we are bearish in this pair, and we are going to remain there for some time. Let us see that how market gives us as next trading opportunities on 1st of July, which will be Monday. Okay, the area of resistance and support are going to remain same. So now let me move forward these scenarios. Okay, so that's it for Euro USD pair. If you guys have any questions, I have moved forward these scenarios for you guys as well. So just follow this key for entries method, and I hope that you guys will be making some good profits. Okay, so that's all for today. I will see you guys on Monday with fresh scenarios. Thank you.